If you're looking to stop weeds from growing on your property, then look for herbicides made with Dithiopyr. Dithiopyr is an active ingredient in some herbicides that prevent weeds and other undesirable plants. In this video, we'll teach you about the active ingredient itself and show you how to use popular products made with it. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Dithiopyr is an active ingredient found in several pre-emergent herbicides. It was first registered for use in the United States in 1991. It's frequently used to control weeds in residential, commercial, and industrial sites. Products made with Dithiopyr come in a variety of different formulations, from liquids to powders to granules and some ready-to-use items. Products made with Dithiopyr are made to control grassy and broadleaf weeds. Always check your product's label for a list of controlled species. Dithiopyr herbicides work as pre-emergents. They prevent weeds from sprouting or germinating, so you won't have to deal with them were they to emerge. Dithiopyr interferes with root growth, preventing plants from developing. Continued control can result in the elimination of targeted weeds. Dithiopyr herbicides are safe to use when applied according to their product label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when applying herbicides and keep them out of reach of any children or pets. Exposure via consumption, inhalation, or direct skin contact may cause harm. When applied to plants in a liquid formulation, always wait for the product to dry completely before letting people or pets around the area. Dithiopyr can often be mixed with other active ingredients in some products. Always read your product's label thoroughly before use. To prevent new weeds from emerging in areas like residential lawns, apply a pre-emergent herbicide like Dithiopyr 2EW. Dithiopyr 2EW is a liquid pre-emergent herbicide. Mix 0.73 fluid ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet, and broadcast your solution evenly over the treatment area. After 6 hours have passed, irrigate the area with ½ an inch of water. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can eliminate and control grassy weeds and broadleaf weeds on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.